Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some cabinet organizer shelves. I guess it really isn't really descriptive on the box, but I'll show you guys what we get in it. We got all these different, I guess these are going to be the different legs for it here. We got 2 sets of 4, so we have 8 legs. It comes with its own little screwdriver and screws and little pads. And then we have a bunch of shelves. So this is everything out of the box. So it comes with 4 of those. So, and this is kind of how to assemble it. Got kind of the basics there. So I'm gonna try to do this and let's see what we get. So let's see. So we have some holes there. Are all these the same? So I could put this one here and have it, next to the other one, or could even probably go up, but I like it. And then we get these little fuzzies here that can go on the bottom so you won't scratch up your counter if it's scratchy. I don't know, mine's granite, it's fine. But there you go, super nice, thumbs up.